Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Genius Language Club at English with Arifa Miss. I'm Sadika from Chattogram. So friends, let's learn some advanced English. Can you help me? তুমি কি আমাকে একটু সাহায্য করবে? Can you help me? Could you lend me a hand? Could you lend me a hand? Or could you give me a hand? And I agree with you. আমি তোমার সাথে আছি আমি তোমার কথা হ্যাঁ বলছি I agree with you I'm on the same page as you I'm on the same page as you I don't know আমি জানি না I have no clue I have no clue It's very easy এটা অনেক সহজ It's a piece of cake It's a piece of cake I don't like it আমার এটা পছন্দ না It's not my cup of tea It's not my cup of tea. I'm busy. আমি ব্যস্ত. I'm swamped. I'm swamped. Can you repeat that? তুমি কি ওটা আবার বলতে পারবে? Could you run that by me again? Could you run that by me again? I understand. আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি. Got it? Or that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm not interested. আমি আগ্রহী না. I'll pass. I'll pass. I will pass. আমি তাড়াতাড়ি বলতে গেলে কি বলবো? I'll pass. I'll pass. So that's all for today. Love it.